Friends, welcome back to my channel, Mission Math Minds. I am Sushma. Today we are going to study pair of linear equations MCQ questions. This type of the questions may arise in an exam, most probably appearing questions this one. So go with this and prepare for the exam in an easy way, like a shortcut way, so everything I gave here. So you can prepare very well in this. Like this more videos you need means please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. First one, pair of equations a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0 are inconsistent. The correct relation of following is: options we have a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2, a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is equals to c1 by c2, a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2. In this totally 4 options, you can see first one, second one, third one. The 3 are possible condition because option D, what we have a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2, that option is not there. So therefore we will leave it out. In the 3, we need to find out inconsistency. So one thing you need to remember, consistency means it need to be an intersecting, otherwise coincidence. Inconsistency means it need to be a parallel. Then you know that what is the intersecting, because intersecting means the two terms are not equal, that means ratios of two terms is not equal to each other. That is option 1. That means it's a intersecting means it's not a inconsistent, it's a consistent. So therefore option A is not possible. Next, other one, we need coincidence means all the ratios are equal to each other. Here what we have, that option C is all the terms are equal to each other. Therefore that's also not possible because that's also consistent. Therefore, option B, what we have, two terms are equal to each other and another one term is not equal to each other. That means A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2, but that is not equal to C1 by C2. That means it's a parallel. Parallel lines are inconsistent because it don't have any solution. Therefore, we can say option B is a correct one. If you are getting any trouble in this understanding consistency and inconsistency, you can go through with my video, because before only I gave one of the video which explained about consistency, inconsistency and parallel lines, how we can write no solutions, everything. So you can go through with that. In a given graph, solution for pair of linear equations is: options we have minus 3 comma minus 2, minus 2 comma minus 3, minus 2 comma 3, minus 3 comma 2. Here they gave a graph. We need to write which is the correct answer for this one. You can see here in the x dash and y dash axis we have totally x axis and y axis. There you can see where the two lines are colliding. It's in a negative side. That means x dash and y dash. That means both will be x and y, both will be negative only. And in a x axis, down of x axis, you can see what we have, 3, minus 3 we have. From there to down it will be connecting to minus 2. You can observe here minus 2 in a y axis and minus 3 in a x axis. So therefore we can write the what is answer, minus 3 comma minus 2 is a correct answer. Therefore option A is a correct one. Pair of linear equation x plus 2y is equals to 6 and 2x plus 4y is equals to 12 have options we have exactly one solution, infinitely many solution, no solution, two solutions. Here they are asking we need to find out how many solutions it has, otherwise it don't have any solution, otherwise it has an infinitely solution. So for that one we need to check with the condition. So that means A1 by A2 how much you will get, B1 by B2 how much you will get, and C1 by C2 how much you will get. That one you need to do. So first we will do A1 by A2 how much we will get, because A1 we have 1 and A2 we have 2. Therefore we will get A1 by A2 is 1 by 2. Next B1 by B2, what we have, B1 we have 2 and B2 we have 4. By dividing to 1s are to 2s are, we will get 1 by 2. Next C1 by C2 we have minus 6, because we have equal 6, that is equals to 6 we have. If we take that one term this side, it will become minus. So therefore minus 6 divided by minus 12. So minus minus cancel, 6 1s are, 6 2s are. Therefore answer will get 1 by 2. That means A1 is equals to B1 is equals to C1 by C2. That means all the terms are equal to each other. Then the answer will be option B, infinitely many solution. If like that we have all the terms are equal to each other, means it will be a coincident line and it has a infinitely many solutions. Fourth one, if 5x plus 4y is equals to 24, if x is equals to 0, then the value of y is. Options we have 2, 6, 12, 3. Here they only gave an x value, we need to substitute that value in that equation, and what we will get answer, that is only y. Now we will substitute. Then if x is equals to 0, then what we will get? 5 into 0 plus 4y is equals to 24. Multiply anything with 0, we will get that's a 0 only. Therefore 5 into 0 it will become 0, then we will get 4y is equals to 24. Divide 24 by 4, we will get 6. That means 4 6 are 24, we will get y is equals to 6. Option B, 6 is a correct answer. 1. In which of the following graphs the pair of linear equations has no solution? Here you need to check first which one is not possible one. Option A, you can see that type of the graph, it will not arise in this linear equations. Therefore, first option is not correct. Next, option C, we will see only one line is coming, means what is that? It will be a coincident. Coincident means it has an infinitely many solution. So therefore, C also not possible. Option D, what we have? Two lines crossing each other, that means intersecting to each other. Then we will get unique solution. Therefore, option D also not possible. Then next we have option B. Option B, what we have? Two lines, that means parallel lines we have. Parallel lines means what? That is a inconsistent. That means it don't have a no solutions. Therefore, option B graph is a correct one for this question. Sixth one, the value of x and y which satisfy the equation x plus y is equals to 9 and x minus y is equals to 1 are respectively. Options we have 6 and 3, 5 and 4, 3 and 6, and 4 and 5. Here they are asking we need to find out x and y, which one is the correct one. So we will check with the options only. First one we can see what we have 6 and 3. If we substitute in the place of x 6 and y place we will substitute 3, means what will get 6 plus 3, 9 we are getting. That means for the first equation it's possible. But next one you can see 6 minus 3 is equals to 1 we are not getting because we'll get 3. Therefore first option is not correct. Next one option B we have 5 and 4. 5 plus 4 9 we will get, but 5 minus 4, yes we are getting 1. It's a correct one. Therefore option B 5 and 4 is a correct answer. Correct one. If two straight lines representing the pair of equation 3x plus 2ky is equals to 2 and 2x plus 5y plus 1 is equals to 0 are parallel to each other, then the value of k is. Options we have 15 by 4, minus 2 by 4, minus 5 by 4, 3 by 2. Here they only said we have a parallel line, so that means a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 that is not equal to c1 by c2. Now a1 by a2 how much we'll get? A1 we have 3 and a2 we have 2, therefore we'll get 3 by 2. And b1 by b2 how much we'll get? B1 we have 2k and b2 we have 5. Now we will equate because a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2, that means we can interchange, we'll get b1 by b2 is equals to a1 by a2. What we have b1 by b2, that is 2k by 5, that is equals to 3 by 2. Now we will do cross multiplication, we will get 5 3s are 15, 2 2s are 4. Therefore what we get the k value, that is 15 by 4. Therefore option A 15 by 4 is a correct one. If the pair of linear equations x plus 2y is equals to 3 and 3x plus 6y is equals to k are dependent pair, then the value of k is. Options we have 3, 6, 9, minus 3. Here they said it's a dependent pair. Dependent meaning you need to remember it's a coincident. Coincidence means all the terms are equal to each other. That means a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equals to c1 by c2. Now a1 by a2 equal, they said, then also we'll check a1 by a2 how much you'll get? 1 by 3 will get. And b1 by b2, what we have b1 that is 2 and b2 we have 6. By dividing this we'll get 1 by 3. Therefore b1 and a1 both are equal to each other. Now c1 by c2. So c1 by c2 is equals to, you will get minus 3 divided by minus k. Why am I minus you written? Because here we have x plus 2y is equals to 3. That means if we taken the 3 this side, it will become minus 3. Therefore, we will write it like that directly, that is minus 3 divided by minus k. Minus minus cancels, we will get 3 by k. Then what we need to find out here? We need to find out the answer for k. Answer for k we need to find out, means we know that it's a dependent, that means coincident. That means c1 by c2 also need to be equal for a1 by a2. Then which option is correct one for that? First option we will check what we have first option, that is 3. So 3 by 3 what will get 1? Is it equal? No, it's not equal. Next one we will take k value is 6. So is it equal? Because 3 by 6 it will become, by dividing we will get 1 by 2. Is it 1 by 2 we have other options? No, it's not correct one. Next one we'll take option C, that is what? 9. So 3 by 9 it will become is what we'll get? 3 1s are 3 3s are, we'll get 1 by 3. Is it all the terms are equal to each other? Yes, all the terms are equal to each other. Therefore option C 9 is a correct one. 1. Which of the paired linear equation has no solution? Options we have x plus 3y is equals to 3, 3x plus 9y is equals to 7. Next one, 2x plus y is equals to 5, 3x plus 2y is equals to 8. Next one, 3x plus 5y is equals to 20, 6x plus 10y is equals to 40. And option D, we have x plus y is equals to 8, x minus y is equals to 2. Here they said we need to find out no solution. No solution means A1 by A2 need to be equal for B1 by B2, but it's not equal for C1 by C2. So which option we have like that? First option you can see what we have, A value that is 1 and A2 value we have 3. So we will get A1 by A2 is 1 by 3. And next one B1 by B2 we have B1 is 3 and B2 we have 9, that is equals to 3 1s are 3 3s will get 1 by 3. So here A1 is equal for B1 by B2. Now we will see C1 by C2, how much will get. C1 we have 3 and C2 we have 7. Is it we are getting? Yes, A1 by A2 is equal for B1 by B2, but it's not equal for C1 by C2. Therefore we can say it's a parallel and it has a no solution. Option E is the correct one. If you're not getting in option A means you can check with the option B or option C. But one, for what value of P does the pair of linear equations given below have unique solution? 4x plus 3y plus 8 is equals to 0. 2x plus 2y plus 2 is equal to 0. Options we have P is not equal to 8, P is not equal to 6, P is not equal to 4, P is equal to 8. Here they said unique solution. Unique solution means what is the condition? That is A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. What we have A1 that is 4, A2 we have 2 and B1 we have P and B2 we have 2. Now we will do cross multiplication. We will get 4 2s are 8. Otherwise you can see denominator also we can cancel because both side denominators we have 2 2. Then it will cancel means what will get? P is not equal to 4. Then option C, P is not equal to 4 is the correct answer. 11th one, the value of x and y when a point lies on the linear equation 2x minus y is equals to 2. Options we have 1, 1, 0, 1, 3, 3, 2, 2. Here they said we need to find out x and y value where by substituting that x and y value in that equation we need to get answer is 2. So we will check first option what we have 1, 1. If we substitute x value 1 and y value 1 means what will get? 2 1s are 2 minus 1. We will get 1 because 2 minus 1 will get 1. Therefore option A is not possible. Next one option B we taken also, it's also not possible because x term totally it will become 0 means we will get minus 1. So that's also not correct. And option C what we have 3, 3. So 2 3s are 6 will get minus 3. So 6 minus 3 will get 3. Therefore option C also not possible. So left over one last one what? That is option D. What we have option D? That is 2. So 2 2s are 4 minus y value also 2 means 4 minus 2 how much will get? It's a 2. Therefore option D 2, 2 is a correct answer. One equation of a pair of consistency linear equation is 6x plus 5y plus 13 is equals to 0. Then the second equation can be options we have 6x plus 5y plus 13 is equal to 0, 12x plus 10y plus 16 is equals to 0, 6x plus 5y plus 1 is equals to 0, and 18x plus 15y plus 20 is equals to 0. Here they said we need to have a consistence. Consistence means two possibilities there, that is one is intersecting, another one is coincident. And we will check with the options. So first option what we have 6x plus 5y plus 13. So first equation also we have same only, that means A1 by A2 that is equal for B1 by B2 that is equal for C1 by C2. Because A1 we have 6 and 6, A1 and A2, B1 and B2 we have 5 and C1 and C2 we have 13. So everything will get equal to each other. So therefore we can say, because A1 by A2 by dividing 1 we will get, B1 by B2 also by dividing 1 we will get, C1 by C2 also dividing we will get 1. Therefore option A 6x plus 5y plus 13 is equals to 0. If it's not possible you can check with the next option. So first option only possible, so therefore directly I am writing. Stage 1. The pair of equations x is equals to a and y is equals to b graphically represents the line which are options we have parallel, intersecting at b, a, coincident, intersecting at a, b. So if it's graphically having x and y value means it will be having a unique solution. That means x, y means how we can write a, b. So intersecting at a, b, that means x, y value they give a, b means option D intersecting at a, b is the correct answer. 14.1. 6 tables and 12 chairs together cost rupees 40,000. Expressing the situation algebraically is. Options we have 6x plus 12y is equals to 40,000, 6x plus 12y plus 40,000 is equals to 0, 3x plus 6y is equals to 20,000, 3x plus 3y is equals to 10,000. Here they are asking how we can express the equation. So here I take tables as a x and chairs as a y. So then how many tables they said? 6 tables, that means 6x plus 12 chairs, that means 12y is equals to together, that means addition of that one is equal to 40,000. So here what we have, which option we have like that? Yes, option A we have 6x plus 12y is equals to 40,000. Therefore option A is correct one. If you are getting confused in option A and option B, you can see option B what we have, 6x plus 12y is equal plus 40,000 is equals to 0. If we send 40,000 that side, it will become negative. Therefore, instead of that, you can see in option A, it's already that side, and together costing, that means addition of that one is equals to 40,000 they are telling. Therefore, option A is a correct one. Next one, the pair of equations y is equals to 0 and y is equals to minus 7 as. Options we have 1 solution, 2 solution, infinitely many solutions, no solution. For this one, I'm drawing graph. So I drawn and I mentioned y dash, x dash and everything. Now we will check here, they only give y is equals to 0, that means it will lie in the x dash axis. And this side another one value is y is equals to minus 7. Minus 7 means where it will lie in the place of y dash axis. So if we mark that one y dash in the y dash axis, so how we are getting graph you can see here. Because first one is x dash x axis and next one it's getting y is equals to minus 7 in y dash means how we are getting, it's a parallel. So therefore we can say option D, no solution. If parallel means it don't have any solution, therefore option D, no solution is a correct one. Try to do many problems, take the different values and try yourself. And if you like this video, share with your friends. To get more notification, please press the bell icon. If you have any doubt, please comment it below and